Good morning. You ready for work? What does that mean?
It means I want to go back to sleep.
Oh, come on. I'll make some coffee. Do you want some?
Yeah. That'd be great.
All right, let's go. Up and at 'em.
That's me, Jenna Markowitz. And the human alarm clock?
Carpe diem.
Hey.
That's my husband, Dan. I used to be a graphic designer at an art firm, but I didn't create the kind of art that you'd find in a gallery or museum. I designed motivational posters. You know, the ones with a nice stock photo and a big word at the bottom followed by an ambiguous phrase all framed in black. Over the years, I'd become pretty good at condensing ideas like loyalty and teamwork, opportunity, and ambition into 3 sentences or less. Today, I was working on my 632nd poster, my 8th on the subject of innovation. I had just found a beautiful picture of a train, and I was trying to think of something to say. Innovation is like a train. It'll take you places. Innovation's like a conductor. Something drives innovation. What drives innovation? And then I had an idea.
Honey?
Mm-hmm.
I quit my job today.
Oh. Why'd you do that?
Now, I didn't know exactly why I'd quit my job. Maybe it was the hour commute to and from work. Maybe it was my well-meaning but overbearing boss. Maybe I was just tired of the long hours. Whatever the reason was, I did know one thing. I had never really experienced any of the ideas I'd put on my posters. And now, I wanted to.
I'm gonna start a business.
Well, hello.
Hi,
I'm Ted.
I'm Jenna.
So what do you think?
Well, I'm still kind of new at these mixer things.
Yeah, you do look a little lost.
Yeah, I just started a business.
Well, let me show you around.
Okay.
Jenna, we provide office space and business consulting services, but what I think we do best is we help people. I think you'd fit right in here.
Me too. And that's how I came to the Innovation Connector.
So how was this mixer today?
It was great. It was at this place called the Innovation Connector, and a guy named Ted helps people like me get their business ideas off the ground. And it seems like it's a dream come true. I'm really excited about it.
Wow, that sounds fantastic. Maybe now I can finally pursue my dream of becoming a stay-at-home dad.
Yeah, that'll happen.
Honey? So I'm pregnant, right after I quit my job, and I start a business, and I don't know what I should be doing.
Let me ask you a question. Why did you decide to start a business in the first place?
Well, I thought that I wanted to experience what I was writing about in my posters, and now I'm just not so sure.
You know, the Innovation Connector is kind of like a motivational poster. Our clients here can see the picture and they can read the words and they pretty much get a good idea of what we do around here. But they have to decide how much meaning they get from us. Some may read the words and just go on. But others, it may change their lives. You see, Jenna, I can help you innovate and I can help you start and grow your business. But you have to decide what it really means for you to be an entrepreneur. You have to figure out why you innovate.
Before I knew it, I had gone into labor. Those past 9 months had been a blur. Why had I quit my job? Why had I started a business?
You okay?
Yeah.
All right.
I was actually gone longer than I was at my old job. I was up later. And being pregnant, I had much more to contend with. And I often felt alone. No coworkers. No one to talk to when I got home. Why did I do all this? Rachel Catherine Markowitz, born 1:53 p.m. on September 24th. I did it for Rachel, for Dan, and for myself. I did it for the people I loved. And so, Jenna Markowitz, a graphic designer who was now a business owner, an innovator, and a mother, had finally experienced what she had written about and learned a few things along the way.